Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to hide Active Now on Instagram. And now let's dive right in. Now to hide the Active Now status on your Instagram account, first open up your Instagram app. And from over here at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see a profile picture icon on a small circle. Tap on it. Again, at the top right corner of the screen, you can see your three-lined icons. Tap on that three-lined icon. And we'll be required to scroll down on this interface, guys, until we can find the messages and story replies. Tap on messages and story replies, and over here you can see the show activity status option available for us. Tap on show activity status, and guys, you can see, guys, so your active status is currently turned on for our account. Now in order to hide the Active Now or active status on Instagram, tap on it simply and it will be turned to white, which means it will be turned to off. And with that being done, guys, you will have hidden your active status or Active Now on Instagram. And then, guys, this is how to hide your active status on Instagram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.